The truth will set you free, but first it'll piss you off. I haven't done this in a long while, but let's get into it. Hey Dominions, welcome back to Maya's Domains channel. Period. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Maya, and my channel mainly consists of vlogs, pranks, challenges, and lifestyle and a all. Please go ahead and like this video, share, subscribe if you haven't. And I know it's been a while since I've posted a video, and it's because I was just not in the mood. Like, I keep putting it off for a next day and a next day and a next day and a next day until it became 2 weeks, and I decided that it's not going to happen anymore. Like, I'm gonna do this video tonight. So I'm going to make all my videos tonight and put them out throughout the week, and I hope that you guys will appreciate these videos. So I don't know about you, but when it comes to shopping on AliExpress, I tend to get a little nervous. Reason being why I get nervous is because shopping on AliExpress is a gamble, and I'm taking a big risk. Worse, I'm not able to see that person that I'm shopping from face to face, and the person's halfway around the world. So with these tips that I'm about to provide, I hope that it will help you to shop online more safely, or buy on AliExpress more safely. So the first tip is, don't assume that the first seller you see selling something on AliExpress is actually selling it at its cheapest. Don't assume that, because there are other vendors on AliExpress that sells the same thing for a cheaper price. So as we Jamaican may say, is that you must shop around to get the best price, but at the same time, shop with caution. Please take it into mind that most of the time when the item is cheap, you're going to get cheap quality items. My second tip when it comes to shopping online is, if you see something that looks too good to be true, be wary. Even though AliExpress is working on ways to get rid of the fake vendors and the fake accounts, you're going to still have one and two vendors that slip through, and you're going to see them on your timeline or the browser. So in this case, where you see an item that normally sells for $100 up and you're seeing it for $20, in this case it's best to listen to your instinct, or just listen to your gut, and know that if you decide to buy this item, you're taking a huge risk, because you probably not get the item, that is for one, or if you do get the item, it is nothing like what you've ordered. So my third tip when it comes to shopping on AliExpress is, don't just buy from the cheapest vendor. Do your research and check out the vendor's credibility, as I said before. So you're going to check to see what's their ratings. You're going to check to see how much of this particular item has been sold before. You're going to see if there's any review, and even though you're seeing countless of good reviews, bear in mind that those reviews are fake. Some of them might be fake. So it's always good to check the good and the bad reviews, because you know, so you can leave a good review on AliExpress just to get a discount or to get money back. Yes. So even though you're seeing all those good reviews, bear in mind that persons actually make those good reviews just to get back something in return. You just have to go with your gut. And what I normally do is look for the person that has the most reviews. I normally go through the bad reviews as well, because I want to know everything. And yeah, and just brace myself for whatever I'm going to pick up at the post office or at my local shipping courier. A good vendor would normally give the item description below the picture, or the picture of what they're trying to sell. But if you happen to come across an item that does not have a description below it, it is best for you to message the vendor or the seller and ask them the questions that you want, and hopefully they will respond, because they normally do respond, even though some of them take forever to respond. But yeah, You can always message the seller and ask them the necessary questions that you want, just in case there's no description below the item. So tip, where am I at? Is it number 4 or number 6? I can't recall. But my next tip when it comes to shopping on AliExpress is don't just look on the price. I know that the price is very appealing and it sits right with you, but don't just shop based on the price. Remember to check out the shipping cost, because sometimes shipping do actually cost more than what the item is for. Or if you're buying in bulk, or if you're buying more than one item, the shipping fee normally reduces. Yeah, I know about that instance. And if an item is for $2 US, sometimes the shipping itself is for $10 or $20, whereas if you buy an expensive item, the shipping in most cases is cheaper, like $3 or $4. That's what happens in most cases. Well, based on my experience, that is what happened. And my next tip is, cheap items or inexpensive items don't normally attract customs fee. Yeah, we know that. Remember me talking about it? Yeah. If you haven't checked that video out, please go ahead and check it out, because that video is doing so well, like so well. If you haven't checked out my how to shop online video, then go ahead and check that one out. I'll link it up here if I get the chance to. But yeah, if an item is cheap, it won't attract customs fee. And as you know, if you're in Jamaica and you know that once the item costs $50, costs over $50, it's going to attract customs fee. Whereas if it doesn't cost more than $50, it won't attract customs fee. And based on my experience, if the item costs more than $50, the custom fee might be literally like triple the amount we pay for the actual item. So bear that in mind. And that's it. Like, those are actually all my tips that I have. Of course, you can always get your AliExpress app from the app store, or you can always go online and just shop www.aliexpress. To be honest, I've had some bad buys and I've also had many good buys. So you just have to use the instinct, as what I keep saying, and do your research on the vendor. Ensure to look on the reviews, the good and the bad ones, and look on their ratings and see, because normally on each item that the seller is selling, you usually see how many of that item was actually sold. So that is a good one as well. That helps me to choose what to buy from that vendor. That sums up my first video in 2 weeks. Yeah, so welcome back me, period. Remember to like this video, remember to share, remember to subscribe, remember to tell a friend to tell a friend. My shout out for this week goes to these 3 wonderful Dominions that is always watching my videos and commenting. I really do appreciate you guys. The secret word for this week goes to AliExpress. Let me not just use AliExpress. Just go ahead and comment hashtag AliExpress down below in the comment section if you've watched out the whole of this video. Please, may I pray to God some more and watch out the whole of the video. Yeah, thanks much. Really appreciate it. Me appreciate you. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I am protected, well respected. I'm a queen, I'm a dream. I do what I wanna do.